Today I'm going to show you how you can make $3,500 a week using Pinterest for only 15 minutes a day. The best part is it requires no money to start with, it's extremely passive, and you do not need to create any product. And again, it will only take 15 minutes of your time. Now all you need for this is either a mobile phone or a computer. So let's dive straight into the video and I'll show you how you can do this. Now the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to create an account with Pinterest. Now you're going to want to create a good name and a good logo, as you're going to want it to look professional, because bear in mind, you're essentially a salesman. How you come across with your name and logo is extremely important. Now you can easily get any picture on Google Images and make it your logo. However, if you want a professional logo made for free, then just go onto this website where I got AI to design a logo for me. And so now this is my Pinterest page. You can see it looks good and professional. Now you're probably thinking, how am I going to make money using Pinterest? Well, keep watching because I'm going to walk you through this. Now the way we are going to make money doing this is through something called affiliate marketing. And honestly, it's one of the best ways to use affiliate marketing to make a lot of sales. This is a very undersaturated method which not a lot of people are doing. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's selling someone else's product or service, and when someone buys it through your link, you earn a commission. So now we need to decide what to sell. Now I'd go onto this website called ClickBank. I'll then sign up with ClickBank and then go onto offers and find something to sell. The trick is to find something which has a high payout. So for example, I'm going to promote this course on how to make money, and I'd recommend to use digital products mainly, as there isn't any fulfillment costs compared to actual products, which means you'll earn a higher percentage of the commission. And all we are essentially doing is marketing the products, and then we'll get paid for it. So now you're probably asking, how do we promote this digital product on Pinterest? Well, we need to create a post. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump onto Canva, and right on the top over here, we're going to search Pinterest, and then we're going to click on Pinterest pin. Now, once you click that, Canva will open up a blank canvas. Now, before we continue with the video, I just want to talk about today's sponsor, which is Prime Opinions. Prime Opinions allows you to turn your opinions into cash. All you got to do is fill in some surveys and you'll get paid. It's literally as simple as that. And you can make as much as $5 per survey. These surveys take around 17 minutes, which means you can earn up to $15 an hour, all from the comfort of your own home filling out surveys. Now, quick disclaimer, this won't replace your full-time job. However, it's a great way to earn some extra cash on the side. All you got to do is click my link in the description. So once you click my link, all you've got to do is put in your email address and sign up. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a $5 free bonus. Now, also what's cool with Prime Opinions is that you can get paid in multiple ways. You can either get paid in cash, you can get paid in gift cards, including Amazon gift cards, PayPal gift cards, as well as Visa gift cards. And if you look at the top over here, you can see the live payouts of real people earning actual money. So make sure you sign up today using my link in the description and start earning some money. It's literally a great way to earn some extra money on the side. Now you're probably wondering, what do you post? So again, it depends on what product you're actually selling. Now, as I am promoting a digital product on how to make money, I'm going to go onto Pinterest and search money. Now what I'm going to do is find a popular post with good engagement. So I stumble across this post over here. Now it's just stacks of a lot of money and it draws you in straight away. So this is perfect. This is what we're going to use. So what we do is we click right over here and then we click on copy link. I'm then going to go onto this website over here, which is basically a Pinterest downloader. I'm then going to paste in my link and download the image. Also guys, if you are enjoying the video so far, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Now once you have the image downloaded, what we're then going to do is go back onto Canva, and then I'm going to drag it onto my canvas. Now if it doesn't fit, just drag the image from here until it covers the whole canvas. Then what we need to do is add a title to draw people in. Now this title has to be catchy. It essentially has to scream out to the person looking at it, and it must solve a problem to get people interested. So as my niche is how to make money online, I'm going to put something like make $500 a day using this untold method. So it sounds catchy enough for me and it solves the problem. So once I type that, I'm just going to drag it around, adjust the font, the color, etc., and make it look better. And after I'm done with it, this is what I created. And to be honest, this doesn't look bad at all. Make sure you keep watching as I'll reveal a hack which can make this method 50 times more effective. This will bring you in a lot more money. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to export the image. So just click over here and we're going to export the image as a PNG, as that will export it to the highest quality. Now once you've got your image downloaded, the next thing that you're going to want to do is to go on to Pinterest. And under created, you're you're going to now click create a pin. Then you just drag in the file that you created on Canva. Now once you do that, on the right hand side it's going to give you a few options. So now it's asking for a title, which is one of the most important things. So I'm going to put easy way to make $500 a day using this untold method. Then you'll just want to add some tag topics. So I'll add things related to my niche, things like money. Then underneath where it says link, you're going to paste in your link. So I'm just going to copy it from here. Now as this link is quite long, what I'm going to do is get it shortened, and we're going to use a website to shorten the link for us. Now the website I'm going to use is a website called Bitly. So I'll just go onto Bitly, paste in my link, and then I'm going to copy the shortened version, and then I'm just going to paste it onto Pinterest. Now I'll just add a small description like click this link below to start making money, and then I'll paste my link again in the description as well, and then that's it. Now make sure to keep posting this at least 3 times a day. Guys, you need to understand this is not going to work overnight. You need to be consistent with posting. Now it can take a few weeks for you to start seeing results. However, if you do keep posting and you keep improving the post, you'll start earning a lot of money very quickly. The key honestly is to be very consistent. And I'd also recommend trying other types of digital products as well, especially if the one you've posted isn't showing you any results. You can also create a landing page to convert a lot better. I can make a whole separate video on how to do this. If you would like to see that video, make sure you leave it down in the comments below. Now I mentioned earlier that there's a little hack to convert 50 times more. Now a good way to do this is by posting videos, as you'll be much more likely to convert if you post videos instead of photos. Now there is a way that AI can create these videos completely for you. You don't need to do no editing, you don't need to do no filming. All you got to do is write a prompt and AI will turn that into a short video. Now if you want to know how to do this, make sure you click this video just over here and I'll see you guys there.